Hello again, Ford Mustang lovers in cartoon form. This is a box of Choro-Q Mustangs, just to let you know. I've been collecting Choro-Qs for several months now, and for some reason the Mustangs are really expensive. So I ended up buying 5, because in the long run it's cheaper to get 5 versus 1 off eBay. I'll probably keep 1 or 2 and then sell the rest off, and maybe I can make my money back or at least break even. Alright, so it's a big tin box. Nice foam. Some sort of old piece of paper. It's almost like a sticker, but paper on the back, and it's all yellowed. Strange. I mean, it says 2004, so that's good to know. And then it's got these 5 Mustangs in it. I don't see anything else. Oh, this sticker came off the back. So, okay, that's what's going on there. So, alright, well, get that into the trash. Let's pull these guys out. I'm not sure why, like, this is even marketable. Like, who buys these things? Like, 5 of the same car, but just different paint schemes. I just don't see that happening too much. Yeah, I don't know. Like, if Mini GT came out with a 5-pack of 1 casting of 5 different colors, I wouldn't buy that, you know? I'd just be happy with 1, possibly 2 colors, but... Like, I mean, I used to own the Miata. I don't have 5 identical Miata castings, but anyways, just curious. Alright, boy, which one to look at? Let's just start with this one, because it's got some weird printing on it. Well, let's first look at the casting itself, see if it matches. I just pulled up 1965 Mustang. It seems like this is that style. Or not. It's not, actually. I'm pulling up the wrong photos, because this has these slats here in the rear section. So this might be a Shelby Mustang. So let me come back. Alright, reset here. I kept the first one because these wheels look like... It looks like the wheels of this Choro-Q are matching, or trying to go for the original regular Mustang wheels. But this, you know, the GT350 Shelby had these louvers on the B-pillar there, so that's what makes me think this is a Shelby 350, but with the original wheels. Sorry, these things are hard to hold when they're this small. You got the chrome bumper, and well, I'm not sure how to explain those round lights back there. So maybe that's a different Mustang altogether. But looking at the front view, right, it's got the 2 lights underneath the bumper. So, okay. Yeah, the silver door handle. Alright, let's just take a look at this casting here. We can't really expect a cartoon to look 100% correct anyways. So this one has a Mustang printed on. I think those wheels do look cool. There's some silver for the window molding and the door handle. And these are just chromed concave headlights, which actually work really well because you can see all the refraction like a real light bucket. There's a Mustang logo in there. It's pretty weak, but whatever. Texture and silver, looking good. Detroit 100th. So maybe this is like a 100th anniversary box set for Ford's anniversary. Eee, some grime, gross. Okay. Yeah, there you go. So that would explain why there's a 5-pack. It's funny that they misspelled this. It's Mototer, right? You would think that someone would have caught that, because I have a suspicion these may have been given to Ford employees or something. You will see the paint is cracking quite a bit here. Alright, so there's a Ford printed here as well. And then all the windows have silver trim. The louvers look okay. Yeah, the taillights look okay. Silver surrounding the red. There's a little center badge there. And then there's a mysterious again. I may have pulled up the wrong photos, but looks like a separate chrome plastic bumper. So that's cool. A whole separate piece. Ford badge printed there. Yeah, the front I think has separate bumpers too. Very nice. And so it says high grade, and then 03, standard construction. It's a clear body, painted really well. but in this case it actually also has 2 additional bumper pieces, so pretty cool. I don't really care for this one because of that printing, but let's take a look at the next. This is much better. Dark blue with white stripes, so everything is looking the same, even that Mustang printing on the side door there. Yeah, okay. Tires seem okay. If you're unaware, these are all pullback toys, and they go pretty fast too. Alright, so I like that one better. Let's see about the yellow and black stripes, but the black stripes don't go across the whole body like this one, only the hood. So that's an interesting. That's much more easier to see. And what's going on here that I didn't see before? Oh, the other ones have it too. Some sort of oh, I think that's a reflector or something on the real car. Huh. Alright, I missed it the first two. Oh, cool. Wait, this one has... Oh, yeah, these two have a different license plate. It says California Mustang, whereas this one says 100th Detroit. Alright. Subtle changes. Subtle changes. Okay. So now this one just has a completely black hood. Unfortunately, it looks like a water stain or a rub mark or something there. California Mustang. Orange on orange turn signals. Yeah, that all looks the same back there. Okay. And then the last one is white with blue stripes. Pretty much negative of that other one. And it also says California Mustang. Alright, so these two are pretty much the same. This is 2 stripes, but not all the way. 1 stripe and then no stripes. Okay, so those are your subtle differences. And they're the stripes. But the front and rears generally are the same. The door panels, the sides are the same. Only the hoods and the stripes. Alright, let's get these things spinning. Hold on a second. Alright, well, unfortunately I'm using this jittery revolving plate thing, but they all seem to jitter. I can't do anything about it. I have like 5 of them now and they all stink. Alright, let's look at a green light 1/64 scale with 65 GT350. And this is orange with white stripes, but I guess it's closest to these in the paint livery. And then I have a 1969 Boss 302 by ChoroQ. I guess I'll just put that up here. Because it actually, well, it's in between these two. It has a solid black hood, but it's yellow and black. So that's what I got for your comparisons to 1/64 scalers. Let me find some cartoon cars. Alright, I found some cars of the same era. This first one is made by a brand called Kinsfun, and it's a Chevy Stepside Junior. It's a little bit different in it, and it's a cartoonish form because the wheels are identical and they're huge. But, you know, I feel like these two could actually sit next to each other in a cartoon world because it is a tall pickup truck, right? So that's a neat one. I have a Ford Anglia from ChoroQ, and it's got the Harry Potter kids on it. Really funky one. And I swapped out the wheels to just some other ChoroQ wheels. And then this next one is a Ford Thunderbird, and it came from a identical series. I think the Mustang was also sold singly in something called the Route 66 series, and so the Thunderbird was also part of that series. Alright. The last one is a ChoroQ Corvette. I think it's a C3 Corvette, if I had to guess. And I have some different wheels on that one. I 3D printed those wheels on that one. Okay, let's see if we can focus on the top view here. There seems to be someone banging on the wall next door or something. So I apologize for that. Yep, someone is nice enough to be hammering the wall during this review. Alright, well, I think these are cool castings. I mean, I think ChoroQ did a good job of cartooning them out. It is a little weird that the wheels, as cool as they are, they don't belong on a Shelby Mustang. I think they belong just on a stock, I think they're hubcaps on a stock Mustang. But anyways, it still works for me. So hopefully you guys appreciate this video, and I'll get you another ChoroQ video in the future. Bye.